could whistle like a train just to hear your name, you won't believe the pain you didn't see. I don't think that you believe things you can't feel. I don't think that you can say the same for me. And if I could build a life on the color of your eyes and the shape of your hair twisting in the wind, maybe in another time, if I could make the wrong things right, maybe then you could fall for me again. I don't believe this day is over. I don't believe our day is over. Maybe if there is a chance, I could visit you again, up into that mountain you've been living in. I don't have enough to say, just to say your name, the sweetest word that ever crossed my lips. I don't believe this day is over. I don't believe our day is over. You take your chances, don't you? Take your chances kindly. You look just like a soldier, even though you're tiny. If I could whistle like a train just to hear your name, see your long hair twisting in the wind. If I could whistle like a train just to hear